In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add modules and lectures in Systeme. By the end, you'll know exactly how to structure your course content clearly and save it properly, so your students can move through your material with ease. First, open your Systeme dashboard and head to Products or Sales, then choose Courses. This is where all of your course content lives. Find the course you want to work on and click its name to open the course editor. Think of this as your home base for organizing what your learners will see. Now let's create your course structure with a module. A module is like a section or chapter in your course, grouping related lessons together. Click Add Module. When prompted, enter a module title. Keep it short, descriptive, and easy to scan, like Getting Started, Module 1 Foundations, or Advanced Techniques. Clear naming helps learners understand the flow at a glance. Once you've named it, click Save. Saving right away locks in the structure and prevents losing your work if you navigate away. Inside your new module, it's time to add a lecture, which is the actual lesson your student will watch or read. Click Add Lecture within that module. Give your lecture a clear title that communicates the outcome, such as setting up your account or how to structure your first project. Specific titles set expectations and make it easier for learners to find what they need. Next, add your content. You can include text for explanations and summaries, embed or upload a video for demonstrations and walkthroughs, and attach downloads like checklists, templates, or worksheets. Aim for a clean layout. Start with a brief intro that tells learners what they'll achieve, place your main content in the middle, and wrap up with a concise takeaway. If you're adding video, keep it focused and high quality. If you're including downloads, name the files clearly so students know what they're getting. Consider combining text and video so different learning styles are supported, and use headings or short paragraphs to make reading effortless. When your lecture content is in place, click Save. This confirms your changes and stores the lecture within the module you created. You can always return later to refine titles, adjust content, or add more lectures as your course grows. That's the full flow. Go to Products or Sales, open Courses, select your course, add a module, name it, save, then add a lecture, title it, add your text, video, or downloads, and save again. Follow this pattern to build a clear, structured learning path your students will love.